Hi, I'm Brad Fenson, and these are my girls Maya and Adeline. Well, you could say we live an outdoor lifestyle. We like the outdoors, and part of that is foraging and gardening and doing stuff. And when we found out that Stark Brothers is now delivering and offering services in Canada, we ordered some goodies. Who wants to see what's in the box?
Me.
We got fruit trees, strawberries, a bunch of stuff. That end. There we go, and you can see it's a big, tough box. Well set up. Got to make sure we can get into this. Well, what do you think, girls? What are we going to find?
Trees.
Trees.
I think
That's
trees.
true. Oh, wow.
Oh,
What do we got in there? Hang on. Let's go slow. Let's open it up. There's our order information. Can you hang on to that up there? You got one? What do you got here? Let's go. Each. This one is our Evans Bali cherry. That one's for Mom because she loves the Evans cherries. So we're going to get that planted and we're going to make some jelly
Why is there
and some special cakes.
Where's a bunch of paper?
Well, that's mulch paper that is moistened to keep the roots moist for transport. They're lightweight, they travel well. What do you think this one is, Maya?
Dad, did you strawberries?
This is a Honeycrisp apple, semi-dwarf. That
did
is going to be great in the backyard.
Did you buy?
What do we got here, Maya? I'm going to get you to hang on to that Honeycrisp.
I'll grab it.
This one, I bet you, is our...
Peach.
What do you think it is?
Peach.
No, this is our Pembina Plum. There's our big plum tree. We're going to get that in the backyard as well.
Hold that.
What do you
I'll
think?
hold
That one?
hold
Let's
that.
put this box down for a sec.
Every morning I'm there to eat a pumpkin.
You can see that there was some rough ends here during shipping, but the way these are done, it doesn't hurt them at all. And these graphs are there. There's all the planting information. We'll get these in the ground here shortly. Let's get that small box from behind you, girls.
I'll pass it to you.
All right, bring it on over.
I'll get it.
You got it? Here.
Don't break the bag. I'm not.
Okay, we got it. Turn around there, Adeline.
Oh, the what? Rain.
I don't think water's going to hurt them. Do you? What do you think we got in here?
I think we got strawberries.
I
Yeah,
bet you.
I think it's strawberry.
Okay, everything's well packaged. Wow. Ooh,
Oh my.
look at that. Okay, let's go slow.
Kiwi.
No, oops, wait. Look at
It
here.
just fell out.
Yeah, I know. This is individually potted
Let's see.
strawberry plants. Just hang on, just leave it, please. Look at here. Can you get that out of there?
I will.
So these pop out like this. And look at, wow.
Whoa.
There is our all-star strawberry June bearer. Here we go. Hang on to this. Hon.
Okay, I'm sorry.
What do you think this one is?
this out.
I'll show you how in a second. What do we got here? I bet you this is our asparagus. We're going to start our own asparagus patch in the backyard.
That's my fault. I'm not.
And these
We
are
must be
extremely
fine.
well wrapped.
That's
Wow.
mine.
You want to see how to get those
Too
strawberries
well.
out? Here. Turn that
That's
open.
too well.
And that
Oh, that's
open.
cool.
Pull that out by the bottom. Carefully and slow. There you go. Straight. Straighten it out. So there you go. Like this. Wow. Look at that. These are shipped halfway across the country and they're in perfect shape, aren't they?
How?
How? Well, because they're packaged so well. Look at that. Those little boxes are awesome. But let's go back to this. Here's the tag, and it says it is,
Asparagus.
it is,
Asparagus.
it is.
I
Mary
was right.
Washington asparagus. That is a neat little root to put in the
What
ground.
is this?
That,
It's garbage.
no, that's not garbage. There's something in there.
What?
What do you think it is?
I think Ontario.
You think it's Ontario? I think it would be a bigger bag than that. All right, there's a lot of plants in here. All right, let's look at the label. Oh, it's still nice and moist. This one is, oh, this is our bare root strawberries, our ever bearers. Hang on, look at that. So there's a pile of plants here. We're going to be able to establish a really nice strawberry bed. But we're going to keep those moist, and we'll actually give them a little drink of water before we put them in the ground because
Oh, can we
these,
pop those?
well, we can do that afterwards. But look at here. More strawberry plants. Show me how to get that one out. Here, Adeline. Here's one for you. These strawberries look wonderful, and because they come packaged like this, we can let them acclimatize for a day before we put them in the ground. Still lots of moisture in there.
How do I do this again?
You got to pull these straight.
Yeah.
1
Yeah, I'll
and
do it,
2, and grab it and pull straight. Don't damage the leaves. There you go, Maya. You get it? Nice work, girls. How do those look? Oh, by the way, does anyone here like strawberries?
Oh, I do.
Look at this.
I like strawberries.
Look at, there's already strawberries growing.
Oh my! I can see
Yeah.
it. Is this one empty?
That one we already took one out of. Yes.
Yeah.
Here.
And I throw mine down there.
Here you go.
Yeah, the name tag came out.
The which?
A name tag came out.
The name tag.
A different one.
Oh, it is too. Let's put that back in there.
There's already
Let's see.
one in there.
Oh, that is our. That's the All-Star strawberry. That's the ones that are in the box.
Which one's this one?
That's an All-Star, like my girls.
Oh no!
Here you go. One more.
It's actually getting squished.
And
Look at that box.
here's the last one.
I'll do it.
Can you do it?
Hey, Dad, watch this.
Hang on. We'll get this over here. Look at this.
Don't hurt this plant.
Don't hurt it.
1, 2, buckle my shoe.
Yeah.
1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3,
Here it comes.
4, buckle the door.
Here comes a strawberry out the door. All right.
Look how much strawberries
Here,
are growing
look at this,
on
Maria.
this.
Yeah. Anyone interested in doing more in their yard? Fruit trees, asparagus, strawberries. Check out starkbros.ca. Now available in Canada.